Let's see our this week shelf work activity for 4-year-old. This is our first tray. It's a Montessori inspired teen board activity. It's a DIY. I used a normal cardboard and created this. And here we have a number from 1 to 9. I will ask my son to put the numbers in order from 1 to 9 first. For example, 1, 2, 3, 4, like this we will go. And then we will add this number with the number tens. For example, if I put number 1 along with the number 10, we will get the number 11. And we will use these Montessori beads also to add these tens. For example, 10 plus 1 is 11. And the other example is when I add 3, the number 10, I will get number 13. So 10 and then 3. Like this we will do it from 11 to 19. And our next tray is a fruits and vegetable classification tray. Here I have a few flashcards which is a free printable from megawork.com. We will see the picture and then we will classify it. For example, it's a cabbage. Cabbage is a vegetable. It goes here. Mushroom is a vegetable. It goes here. Grapes is a fruit. Pineapple is a goes under fruit. Like this we will do it for all the flashcards. And our next tray is a rhyming activity. I got this from Target Bullseye section for $3. Initially I will keep all these puzzles separately. He has to find the rhyming words and then match it. For example, bell. Bell rhymes with shell. We will match it. Bell, shell, it's a rhyming word. And then we will turn the cards to see the another set of words. For example, it's a bow and snow. These two are rhyming. Like this we will do it for all the puzzles. Bug, rug. And what's that in the back side? It's a bank and tank. It's a rhyming word. Like this we will do it for all the cards. And our next tray is literacy. Magic key activity. Here I have a word. Initially he will sound out the words. For example, f, e, l, fill. And here comes a magic key where it will change the vowel sound into a vowel letter name. So the magic key changes the e to I. So f, I, l, file. So here is the file. It goes there. And the other example, w, e, p, whip. And here comes the magic key and changing this vowel sound. So w, I, p, wipe. So it comes here. Like this we will do it. Again it's a free printable from Play-Doh to Plato. And our next tray is a color gradient activity. I have 4 flowers here. 1, 2, 3. And then 4. Here I have a few bugs where he has to find the perfect color and then match it. If you see the blue, there are different color gradients are there, so here he has to match it with the correct one. This bug goes here and this one goes here. Like this we will do it. I got this printable from Pinterest. I will mention the link in the description box for this. And our next activity is a cut and paste. I got this book from a Dollar Zone. It's a very good book. You can see here. So it's cut and paste where he has to cut and paste according to the instructions. For example, they are asking you to cut these windows and paste only the 4 windows in this house. And we have it for the phonics also, where he has to cut all this and match it with the phonic mentioned here. For example, duck. What else starts with duck? He has to find this and paste it over there. For example, ducklings. It will come there. And one more book is just a cut, there is no paste. And here I can see a few things which he has done already. He colored the cars and pasted in the parking lot, you can see here. And he did this cut and paste puzzle and these signals. If you have a Dollar Zone store near you, do try this books. And our next tray is a language tray. First we will put our alphabets in order, A, E, and then we will match it with the pictures. For example, And our next tray is a math tray. It's finding the missing number. He has to find the missing number and then write it. For example, 16, what is missing? It's number 17. I have it from 1 to 20. Like 11, 12, what will come? 13. And I have from 1 to 10 is also there. Example here. 6, what is missing? 7. What will come after 9? 10. It's again a free printable from Confessions of Homeschooler. Do try this. That's it for this week. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, click a like button and subscribe to our channel. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Nicotine on the top and one on the bottom. That's called 11.
Do next. 10. If you put 2, what will happen?
It's a get 12.
Yes. So how you will get 12? When you add 2 with the number 10, you will get number 12.
When you put 2 on the bottom and 10 on the fruit. Dragon fruit is a fruit. Jackfruit is a fruit. Bananas is a fruit. Lemon is a fruit. This lemon is a fruit.
Yes.
Onion is a vegetable. Looks like flower with a... Is this looks like a flower?
Yes. Cauliflower.
Cauliflower is a vegetable. Tomato is a fruit.
No, tomato is a vegetable.
But I saw in...
Tomato is a vegetable.
Garlic is a fruit or vegetable?
Fruit or vegetable?
Vegetable.
Nin. Now can you add magic key?
Nine.
Next.
What? Eat. Weep. What? I. Wipe.
Good. Sound. At rhymes with?
At.
Where is another at? Can you check?
Hat.
Yes.
Wait, let's take the backside one.
Okay. Cat hat is a rhyming word.
Let's take the backward. Dog. Log.
Yes, see? Og. 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 Og is a rhyming word, okay? Take next.
Put the... What's this? Color, mommy. What's this color?
Dark blue.
Dark blue. So it means to go here.
Yes, correct.
This is very dark blue.
Yes, very dark blue.
This one is very, very dark blue.
Correct. Darkest.
Darkest. This one is yellow color. But that's no yellow color, but it's here. The rainbow color.
Hmm. Correct. Perfect.
Ah.
Which one is ah?
Ah.
Hmm.
Which one is E?
Which one is E? Very good. E.
E.